Hey there. So imagine you're working on a project and you encounter a tricky problem. The issue arises when using the ForContext method of Serilog to add custom properties to the log event. The problem is that calling ForContext returns a new object, making it challenging to assert in unit tests whether each property was properly added before the log method was called. Now, diving into the solution provided, it involves setting up a mock for the ILogger, where ForContext is intercepted and returns the mock logger object. This setup ensures that the ForContext method is called with the correct parameters during the unit test. Moving forward with the solution, the next step is to verify the ForContext call to ensure it was executed correctly. By using the verify method on the logger mock, you can confirm that ForContext was called with the expected parameters, such as string and int, exactly once. Additionally, you can verify that the warning method was also called once as expected. To wrap things up, this approach allows you to effectively test the logging behavior and ensure that custom properties are added correctly before logging events. Remember, meticulous testing like this can save you from potential log-related headaches down the road. So go ahead, implement these testing strategies in your codebase and log away with confidence. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts.